Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use VBA to automatically get the total when data is entered in column A and column B. So without further ado, let us press Alt F11 to go to the VBA. That is the VBA editor. So in the VBA editor, press Alt-IM to create a module. Then here we create a subroutine. So in this subroutine, let us call it computation. Then enter. Then let us declare some variables here. That is dim, ws as worksheet, then I as long. So then here we say that set ws equal to sheet 1. So then here we use the for statement. So for I is equal to 2 to 6. So 2 to 6. Then below here we say next I. So then here we say that worksheet dot cells I, so that is I represent the row, then 1 represent column 1, and then 3 represent column 3. So this is equal to, so we can copy this. So times that, then here we adjust to column 1. So the asterisk here means times the cells in column 2. So if we use this, if we run this, we shall get the answer to column C. So for example, let us enter 2 here, then we enter 3, then in the VBA we press the green button here to get the total. So press this green button. So you can see we get 6, but now it is giving us these zeros, so we don't want the zeros. So let us clear that, and then we go back to VBA to adjust that. So here we shall say if, so if this one, so if this answer is equal to 0, then in the third column, that is column C, this one should equal to 0. I mean should be equal to nothing. So we say, we use double quote, or we say VB null string. Else if, so we say else if this is not equal to 0, that is worksheet cells in column 1 times cells in column 2 are not equal to 0, then we return this one. So here we say else if worksheets.cells not equal to 0. So let me expand this. So else if, so then the answer should be this one. Then we end if, and then now if we enter 2 here, we enter maybe 5, so the answer here should be 10. So press the green button here and we have our answer there as 10. But now we want to automatically get the answer without pressing this green button here. So to do that, we click on this sheet 1 in VBA, then click on worksheet, select worksheet change, and then so here you say that if target dot address is equal to that is range, so that is now column B. So you put a variable j, comma, that is column B, then we use ampersand to concatenate. So we put a variable j to represent the rows in column C, column B. So close the bracket, then you say dot address. So then we call this module, so that is the computation. We copy this and then come back here and say call computation, then end if. But we have to declare this variable j, so we say here dim j as long, and that is it. So we can close this, and then we come to the worksheet. So as you enter data here, the moment we enter data in column B, so you automatically get answers in this column C. So therefore let us enter anything. So 8. So there is a worksheet problem, so let us check if target dot address is equal to range dot address, then so what else? So here we need to say 4. So for j is equal to 2 to 6. Then next j. So then let us go back and try. So here maybe we enter 100, so automatically we get 100, and now we don't get the zeros. So here we have 15, then you enter 2, then you have 16, you enter 14, and then we have 100, so you enter 200, so you get that, and maybe you have 47, enter maybe 25, and that is it. So you get the answers here automatically. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next videos.